Hello traders, welcome back to TradingLive Masters. This is Zicheng here once again. I'm one of the lecturers in Trading.live. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the famous ICT concepts, which is the order block. Before we start, I hope you can first like the video, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you so much, and let's start right now. So everyone, before we learn how to identify order blocks in the live charts, we first have to understand what is an order block. An order block is an area where there has been a large concentration of limit orders waiting to be executed. Order blocks are identified on the chart by observing previous price action and looking for areas where the price experienced significant movement or sudden changes in direction. So this is the best explanation for what is an order block. After you have understood, let's move on to learn how does an order block look like in the charts. Let me use arrows as illustration for what is an order block. So for example, if price has been moving down like this, and when price reached this certain level over here, this level for example, it started to push up aggressively in one single candlestick, so we can see that there is an order block in this area. So this is a general look for order block. Of course, this is the bullish order block. For the bearish, it will look something like this. For example, price can be moving up, and once it reached this level, it suddenly pushed down very aggressively in one candlestick. So we can see there is a bearish order block in this area. So does it match our definition of order block? It's an area where it changes the direction significantly. So how does an order block look like in the live charts? So let's have a look here. So in order to spot an order block, you first have to identify the aggressive candlestick. So we have a bearish aggressive candlestick. The order block will be the candlestick that is previously before the bearish candlestick. So for example, if the aggressive candlestick is a bearish one, the order block will be the last bullish candlestick. So where's the last bullish candlestick before this aggressive bearish candlestick? It is this one. So this is our order block. If you include the wicks, this would be the order block. Let's see how did the order block work. So have a look. Although it reacted more than above the wick, but it still moved very aggressive to the downside. So for traders who managed to take a sell from here, you would have caught a very good downside move. So for example, this is another order block as well. We have a very aggressive candlestick. So where is the order block? It is the last bullish candlestick, which is this one. So this is our order block, but unfortunately this has not been tested yet. So it has no reactions yet. Maybe when price comes back up to this, we might be able to see some rejections. So this is how you spot a bearish order block. So how do we spot a bullish order block? As we can see here, we identify the aggressive candlestick first. We have a very aggressive bullish candlestick here. So where is the order block? It will be the last bearish candlestick, which is this one here. And let's see how it performed in the future. Let's try to drag it and see if there's any reactions. Wow, there is. Can everyone see this? Price came back down, tapped into this order block and reversed to the upside. So this is a very good bullish order block. Look, let me zoom out. You can see price pushed up from this order block, came back down, retest this order block and push back up to the upside. So this is how you identify bullish order block. So everyone, does that mean that you can identify every single order block and use them? The answer is no. I'm going to leave that for another video to teach you how to select the good order blocks, because this video is just covering the basics on what is order block and how to identify them. So make sure to stay tuned for the next video. Here comes to the end of this video. I hope you have understood what is order blocks. If you still have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll try my best to help. Besides that, I have daily live streams at trading.live, so if you are interested, you're always welcome to join me there. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye and trade safe.